My goal in life and my intention is to love, honor, and respect. To love, honor, and respect as many people that I know as possible. Also, my past pets who came into my life for a reason. I'm watching a video and I hear animals come into our life perfectly for a reason with their own mission, and usually it's to love, help, and assist us, you know. And I also heard that we can ask our passed on pet to come back, the spirit of the pet to come back in another animal, and somehow we will find each other. And it reminds me of a film that I really recommend called A Dog's Journey. It made me cry the most of any film I've ever watched, just like bawling the whole way through almost. Not literally the whole way, but a huge amount the whole way through, you know. I'll put a link to the video I'm talking about below. Not the film, but the video where I'm learning some of this stuff. But yeah, it just touches my heart because my intention for my spiritual evolution is hugely to love, to respect and honor anybody, people who disagree with me. Absolutely all of Gaia, Mother Nature, our home. All of the plants, animals and insects and microbiological kingdom, the microbes, the big and the small life forms. All of the animals, but the humans too, who are the most challenging for us humans, you know. Humans trigger our pain body and our ego the most. So the biggest journey, the hardest journey, is the longest journey. And like I've said in other videos, that is from the head to the heart. And I've found in my own life, when I take that moment to pause and travel back to my heart again, my goal and aim are the words love, compassion, and forgiveness. Kindness comes the fourth after those three. They're the gateway to kindness. So that's my goal and objective. That's my spiritual work. And sometimes our gifts are just simply being kind and loving, compassionate and forgiving, open and appreciative. It doesn't have to be all about special psychic abilities. But I do welcome and ask my guides just last night and my angels or angel helpers and my higher self to help me to reveal my unfolding and development of my psychic abilities, because they're worthwhile having too. And I'm already very empathic and intuitive, especially empathic. Well, and intuitive. I can read people very good these days, much more than I realized. But it'd be nice to develop stuff like out-of-body experiences, astral travel, lucid dreams, dream recall, with dreams of the astral realm, you know. It's real. Dreams aren't sleep, just a blackout. Dreams are real, and sleep is a form of wakefulness in another dimension. Whether or not we remember or not, we're just related to our pineal and our psychicness. So, yeah, there's so much to learn and grow and develop, everybody. Especially just here on the physical, simple, grounded level, like I'm mentioning. Anyway, have a lovely day, lots of love, thanks for watching, and friend me on Facebook and Instagram, give this video a like or a share, love to connect with you, send me a personal message, and join my Patreon below if you wish, and check out my links below, and 10% off my herb store, herb superfood and enzyme store, using One Love One Family coupon code. And yeah, check out below for my books or health, personal or relationship consultations are my passion also. Have a lovely day. Thanks and have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching.